New Brighton Ford. Quality selection, exceptional customer service, and a great price too. Let the friendly professionals at New Brighton Ford help you get into your next vehicle today.
The Ford Explorer sets the standard for three-row crossover utility vehicles. Others try to match its stylish good looks, up-to-date technology, and unmistakable capability. But there's only one true Explorer. Choose from 5 models, starting with the base Explorer and ending with the top-of-the-line Explorer Platinum. High-tech features abound in the Explorer, from the voice-activated sync infotainment system to available driver assist features like adaptive cruise control to the available hands-free power liftgate. It's ready. As your adventures change, the Explorer changes with them. Available intelligent 4-wheel drive with terrain management lets you shift on the fly into one of 4 settings to match your needs. Plus, you really can take it all with you thanks to 21 cubic feet of cargo space behind the third row seats. Or fold the second and third rows flat and you can pack in almost 82 cubic feet of gear. Choose from a variety of colors, options, and accessories and build an Explorer that's all yours. The Ford Explorer. Style and comfort for any adventure.
At New Brighton Ford, you'll never pay too much, and we'll do everything we can to make sure you drive away in the vehicle that's right for you. If it's service, selection, and value you're after, then New Brighton Ford is the place to shop. Stop in today. We're easy to find at the intersection of Highway 694 and Silver Lake Road in New Brighton. It's where our customers send their family and friends.